In this video, we're going to be checking out AWE's all-new exhaust for the Ford Ranger Raptor. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name is Will and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. Quick sales pitch like always. If you get to the end of this video, you enjoyed it, you found it helpful, you like the Ranger Raptor, think about hitting that subscribe button right down below. Totally free to subscribe, just sends you a quick notification whenever I'm posting some new content out there. But if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool. A like is always really appreciated as well. Now with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Obviously by the title, you already know we are going to be installing AWE's all-new exhaust system on my Ford Ranger Raptor. In my opinion, this is the exhaust system us Ranger Raptor owners have been waiting for. Equal length exhaust loop. It's going to give us that tone that all of us have been craving for with our Ranger Raptors. Really excited. Before we get into it, I want to give a massive thanks to AWE for sending this exhaust system out to me, as well as to Stage 3 Motorsports for sliding in the DMs and asking if I was interested in doing this collaboration. So thank you guys. Go check them out. I'm going to have their info right up here on the screen. So go give them a follow. Say thank you from me. And once again, guys, if you're watching this, thank you. If you're a subscriber, you already know I enjoy wrenching on my own truck. So we're going to be doing the installation right here in my garage. But before we start with that, got to go unbox this exhaust. Got 3 massive boxes right behind the camera here. So let's go ahead and check out what's in there. Then after that, we'll pull the truck into the garage. We'll get the stock system off and we'll start installing the AWE one. There is a detailed installation manual on the AWE website, so you can go and check that out if you want everything written out. But if you have any questions along the way, obviously jump down into my comment section. I'm always here to help you guys. So let's go ahead and start unboxing now. So I have the exhaust loosely assembled here on the floor. Wanted to show you before we started installing it on the truck. Really high quality exhaust system here, T304 3-inch stainless steel. Really high quality. You get the tier 1 OE valves that keep the full valved exhaust functional. You also get the additional motor hanger over here so we don't get any check engine lights. AWE has a no check engine light warranty or guarantee, so that's really awesome. Up here, a little bit towards where the ignition side is of the exhaust, we get the X pipe. That's really going to help smooth out the exhaust, eliminate any sort of rasp that we might get with the EcoBoost. But in my opinion, my favorite part and the part that makes this exhaust system stand out from all the other ones on the market right now is the equal length trombone loop. Very common exhaust modification with the EcoBoost Raptors. I believe it's the Gen 3 Raptors now, the F-150s, that actually have this loop from the factory. So very common modification for the other F-150 Raptors, but now with AWE we have an off-the-shelf solution for the Ranger Raptor with getting an equal length exhaust. So that's really rad. I think it's going to sound really awesome on here. We also have a few different tip solutions, so let me go ahead and show you those now. There are 3 different tip solutions that you can get for this exhaust system. You can get these bad boys that we have right here, which are a 5-inch massive tip. These are obviously in black. You can also get them in a full polished. These are going to be the ones we're installing on today's video, but you can also choose these high clearance bash guard tips, and it's a full piece, as you can see, like so. So it's almost like replacing the entire axle back section. And then on the tip here, this is going to be your tip. It has this nice reinforced AWE branded bash guard on there. So if you're doing any sort of rock crawling, terrain work, anything like that where you don't want to ding up your exhaust tips, this might be the option for you, and we are going to be installing this in another video. Along with the massive exhaust tips, we get all the hardware and accessories that we need to install this exhaust system. We have the wiring harness extension, some zip ties with some hardware. We got all of these really nice clamps here so we can bolt everything together. We have an additional exhaust hanger here. We have nice CNC billet motor mount here for the valves. You can see really nice machining in there as well. We have the actual valve motor itself over here. Really cool license plate frame, and as well 3 lollipops that I am most definitely going to eat while I'm doing this installation. All right, so I got the truck in the garage, got it propped up on some rhino ramps. Let's crawl underneath and start disassembling this exhaust. Starting in the rear, you're gonna wanna soak down the exhaust hangers as well as the clamps with some PB Blaster, WD-40, something like that, to Add some lubricant just so it makes it a little bit easier, break up any sort of corrosion, because you're going to need to remove all of these exhaust hangers and you are going to be reusing them. So there's obviously one here. On the other side, there's a few more back here that you're going to want to remove to get this rear axle back section off. Then moving back here towards the X-pipe area, another exhaust hanger and some clamps. Moving forward a little bit more, the two valve motors, those are going to need to be unplugged. You're going to be reinstalling those as well as you know, the harnesses anyway. Around here a little bit more, another exhaust hanger that you're going to reuse, that's a little bit forward of the muffler. Then moving up here, this is where the cats are located. Gonna remove that hanger as well. You're going to reuse this little sleeve up here, so soak all of this down with some PB Blaster, and obviously you're not going to want to do this as the exhaust is still hot, so let it cool down first. Let that PB Blaster seek in for a little bit, free up any sort of rust. It'll just make it a whole hell of a lot easier. So I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to zip all of this off, and then we can start installing. So there we go. Stock exhaust system is off of the truck. The whole midsection there, and axle back section there with the tips. Now we can go ahead and start installing the AWE. At this point, we have the equal length exhaust loop installed, the secondary pipe coming off of the cat, as well as the X pipe right there. We reuse this sleeve over here, as well as the exhaust hanger off of the front rail. Now we have to work on the muffler and the valve section. So now we have to assemble the valve simulator. So it goes onto the little CNC bracket here. There's a little pin, it's really hard to see, but it's right in there, and that more or less locks it into place so it simulates the valve opening and closing. Then once this is installed in this bracket, we need to secure it to this bracket right here, which is part of the over the axle section of the exhaust. We are almost done, boys and girls. I'm just wrapping up the over the axle section here. Got this one all the way down. Just got to do the passenger side, adjust the tips, and we're good to go. All right, boys and girls, after 3 hours, we have finally finished the installation. Honestly, not that difficult whatsoever. Hardest part, honestly, is the axle back section, just because it's a little bit tight. But honestly, if I can do it, you guys can do it. But let's go ahead, turn this on, and hear it together for the first time. like some sort of placebo effect, but the truck feels quicker. Now, I know that might be crazy to think, and it very well just could be, like I said, a placebo effect, but it just feels like it's a whole lot punchier, and the boost is just coming on quicker, and the power just feels very linear. Now, I know that might be crazy because it's just a catback, but maybe the fact with it being a full 3-inch exhaust and it flowing a little bit more, maybe you just unlocked a little bit of horsepower there. And again, I don't want to come out here and say that, oh, it's fact, this adds power, but it really does feel quicker. Now, this might be a little crazy to say here, but I'm kind of getting R35 vibes here. And I know that's also a V6 twin turbo, and that's kind of like the crown jewel, in my opinion, of V6 twin turbos, and I'm kind of getting that a little bit here. Crazy to say. Let me give you a little rip here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of getting R35 vibes here, and I kind of dig it. My overall driving impressions now that the AWE exhaust is installed is, this is the way it should have came from the factory. It sounds wicked. This was the exhaust tone that I was searching for. I know if you watched some of my prior exhaust videos, I said that I want to do an equal length loop into an X pipe, and that's exactly what AWE now offers off the shelf. So it was exactly what I was searching for, and it honestly just sounds so good. In cabin noise, I don't know if you guys can hear it. It is a little bit amplified, obviously. The real crown jewel, sort of say, is from the exterior. It just sounds so good. But yeah, I'm totally ecstatic and pleased with how this exhaust just turned out. Installation was a breeze, and it sounds awesome. Now, like I said, this is the way the Ranger Raptor should have came from the factory. You do get a few little pops and bangs when it's in Baja mode, which is really cool, and you know, like boy racer. So if you like that, you'll really enjoy that. In quiet mode, it's obviously the quietest. It's really mellow. In normal mode, it's just a little bit more amplified, but it gets real rowdy when you put it in Baja. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. I'm really pleased with it. If you're on the fence about picking up one of these exhaust systems, do it. It's awesome. It's well worth every penny. So yeah, go ahead, check out AWE. I'm gonna have their link down in the description. And if you're a Ranger Raptor owner, what are you waiting for? Go get your exhaust. All right, everyone. So that's more or less gonna do it for this one. AWE exhaust for the Ranger Raptor is an A+ in my opinion. If you are looking for an exhaust system for your Ranger Raptor, definitely go check them out. Like I said before, links are going to be down in the description. I can almost promise you, you will not be disappointed by getting this exhaust. It totally transforms the whole exhaust note and driving experience of the Ranger Raptor. It's so much more fun now. The only negative I can say about it is I'm probably going to sacrifice a lot of fuel economy at this point, because I'm going to be pretty heavy on the skinny pedal listening to that exhaust system. So AWE, thank you once again for sending this out to me to test and review and install on the truck. Absolute baller product. I really love it. Yeah, once again, guys, thank you so much. But if you guys have any questions for me, obviously go down in that comment section. I'm always really quick to reply to everyone. But as always, guys, my name's Will. This is the Win Me YouTube channel. Thanks for chilling with me today. Like, comment, subscribe. All of those things are always really appreciated. Again, my name's Will, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody.